It's Christmas time, and that means Santa Claus. That's right, we are going to do a Santa Claus figurine today, which is something that we haven't done here at YummyArts. So, I thought I would have him kind of sitting, kind of in the fireplace a little bit. So I've got a roof line here, so let me show you how to get started with something like this. So this could be a cake topper. You could actually have this on a cake board that's exactly the same size, and you can do it to whatever size cake. This would probably fit on, I think this is a 10-inch round. So probably if you're going to put it on a cake, 12-inch round cake or a quarter sheet cake. Okay, so we want to start with some rice cereal treats, and I'm using these right here, pre-made ones, but you can make your own. And our chimney is 3 by 3 square, and it's about 3 inches high. Okay, then our pieces here, what I did is I just cut a flat piece that was, I guess I didn't really, it's like 2 3/4 wide here and 2 3/4 here. So it was just basically a strip like this, 2 3/4, 2 3/4. And then I will show you what I did here on the edge is I actually took this knife and I came down like that and then just took some of that piece off. And on this side, just take that piece off and then take that piece and flip it upside down and put it up here. Now this piece here, it was just like this, and what I did is I just cut it at an angle like that to get that roof part there. And you can even use this part, because I'm not going to use it for anything, to go in this area here. So you just want to, let me turn it, push it in there. I cut that off. And you just basically want to have a sloping roof. Okay, so that needs to be obviously the tall part right in the middle of the fireplace there. And then this piece right here, we can use, just cut straight down like this, cut on here. And this is going to go right in this area right here. So I'm going to get one that fits a little better, and voila. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to start with the chimney area, and I'm just going to put some buttercream on that just to fill in some of the gaps. And then I will roll out some fondant, and we'll cover that first. Okay, so for this project, we are going to need some different color fondants. We're going to need red, black, white, green, and terracotta, which is actually red. And I just put a tiny bit of brown in. And we're going to be using a little bit of brown for the roof also, and flesh color. So we'll talk about that a little bit later. So right now I've got the red fondant that I've added a little bit of the brown fondant to get more of a terracotta color. And I'm just going to roll this out, and I've got a texture mat here, which is an FMM texture mat, and it's a brick design. Okay, so once I have it rolled out, make sure I can slide it. Go ahead and place this on top, and you can push down. You can even use your rolling pin if you want. And I'll do another one here. And I'll probably need to roll it out again for another strip or so. Okay, so I think with these I can do the side pieces. So I'll just go ahead and cut this off right here. Okay, so this would go on the side. So I'm just going to put it right up like this. Just like that. And then take my palette knife and cut right down there, and also down the sides. Okay, make sure you lift that back up like so.